Hi there, welcome to Houston DIY, my name's Ben. In this video we're going to play Fortnite, FIFA and other games on the Meta Quest 3. Okay, so VR headsets, the Meta Quest 2 and the Meta Quest 3, obviously there's tons of amazing games, VR games built into the headset which are great to play. There's one that I've been playing recently, I played the first time the other night, called Onward, which is really good. I'll put a little link or a little clip of that in the video. Check that out if you're looking for kind of a shoot 'em up game with good graphics. The graphics are incredible, but the gameplay and immersiveness is really good. But this one we're looking at playing games like Fortnite, FIFA, so not from a VR experience, but playing them on a large screen inside the headset. So this is all possible with the Xbox application on the Meta Quest 3. So if you've got an Xbox controller, like I have, I got one for Christmas, you can link this up to your headset, get the Meta Quest Xbox application, and with the Microsoft Xbox Game Pass, you've obviously got access to thousands of titles on their cloud gaming, which enables you to play games like Fortnite and FIFA directly on the headset. So this video I'm just going to show off a couple of games, primarily Fortnite and FIFA, just to show you the experience in there, what you can do in there. We'll use the Xbox controller, but I'm also going to try it with another controller, which is a Google Stadia controller, just to see if we can get that working. If we can't get it working, I probably won't show you on the video, but I'll give that a go. So yeah, let's jump into the headset, kind of show you what things look like, and we'll do a little bit of gameplay on there. Okay, so just put the headset on. I've took my glasses off. I do wear prescription glasses, but I've got some prescription lenses here from AdLens VR Pro Optics. I will link to another video where I've done a video on them. So let me put the headset on and get things started. So we'll just log in and I'll get the screen recorded on the Meta Quest 3 so you can see what's going on. And just another point as well, I am using the Easy SMX earbuds. So I've got a single one in at the moment and I've got the dongle in there that you can see. Again, we've done a couple of videos on that on the channel, which I will link to here as well. So let's jump into the headset and I'll get things recorded. So I will kick recording off, which I've done now. So on here, hopefully you can see, I've got the Onward game there. Let me just really quickly show you that, if that will work. And I've got the wrong boundary. So let me just quickly create the new boundary. Okay, so I'm in the stationary boundary, so you can see the Onward game here. We won't jump into a game, but you can hopefully see that's a kind of gameplay experience where you're in these kind of, obviously, combat zones. So yeah, so that's that. I might do a separate video on that because it is a really good game so far. So on the headset itself, I've got the application downloaded. Let me show you it. The Xbox Cloud Gaming Beta. It's a beta actually, I didn't even realise that. So it's Xbox Cloud Gaming Beta software. And I will have my controller. I'm not in pass through, so I don't know where I put it down. I think it's there. Okay. So really simple in terms of syncing these up. You just need to turn the controller on, and you go through the Bluetooth settings just to pair it up, just with the pairing button on the Xbox controller up here. Really simple to do. There's nothing difficult about, nothing extra needed there. It's just a Bluetooth connection. Once you've done that, when you go into the Xbox application like this, it will show it connected, and then you're ready to use that. So you can see I've tried out FIFA, I've tried out Battlefield, I've tried out Fortnite and other games. So what we'll do, let's jump into FIFA. And we'll give it a go on FIFA. So while FIFA is loading, you can see hopefully you've got a couple of different options on here. Well, 4 different options. You've got the screen sizes. So you can use the screen size there of the small screen size, medium, large, extra large, like that. So obviously depending on where you're sat. So I'll sit in the front room and I'll have the screen there and I'll use pass through and I'll have things going on. I can keep an eye on what's going on in the room, but also on the on player gaming. So you can see I'm clicking through the menus. Latency isn't a problem at all on this. I haven't found any problems on latency whatsoever yet with this. It's been really good so far. So let's get into an actual game. I'll show you some actual gameplay on here as well. Okay, so let's go into a quick seasons game. In fact, I won't do a seasons game because I might have to finish the game. Doesn't matter. I will do a seasons game. So you can see in terms of the speediness of it, it's obviously really quick. Obviously, the actual internet connection depends on your own internet connection you got in your property, in your house. But the latency wise, it's really good. It's just like playing with a wireless controller on a console. I have used Google Stadia previously, which was really good. There were some latency issues every now and again on Google Stadia, but I've had 0 issues so far on this. So we'll stay in the medium size at the moment, just do a little bit of gameplay, and I'll jump into the other screen sizes when I can. Try and score a goal while we're sharing. You can see a little bit of jitteriness there. I could see it. That's just probably my internet connection rather than the screen. And to be fair, I've never recorded the screen at the same time as playing, so it could be that as well. Oh, nearly. Oh. As you can see, I'm not exactly great on FIFA, but let me jump through the screens now while we've just conceded a goal. So a small screen there. What we'll do as well, let me just click quit on, and then we'll jump back in. Export game. Okay, so this might have quit our game. Yeah, it has. Okay, never mind. So you can see there, we'll come out of FIFA, we'll try a different game, but this is in the more immersed area of the Xbox application. So you can see there, you've got the kind of Xbox themed room that you sat in, and the different screen sizes there. So we've had to quit that game of FIFA, but hopefully you saw enough of FIFA. What we'll do now, let me just go back, he says, and then we will we'll have a go on Fortnite. So let me just come out of here. I'll just start the recording again, just so the file's not too long. Then we'll go into a game of Fortnite. Okay, so we're loading a game there now. So you can see we're currently in small view. So to recenter, so you can turn in this area, and I can press the meta button and recenter the screen. So you can move around in there and do that if you need to move position. So hopefully this... Right, what I'm going to do, I'm going to quit the application and go back in. So I've noticed this a couple of times where it's kind of frozen on me when it chucked me out. So if you quit out of it, weirdly, it kind of... I don't know what it does. But yeah, let's load it up now. So we've got the large view now. See how quickly we can get into this. This is the cloud gaming. I've noticed this on the laptop and the screen. You have to kind of queue sometimes to get into game. I guess it's just from a capacity perspective on the gaming servers. You've kind of got to wait your turn to get in. Usually it's no more than a minute to get in though. So I'll keep jumping between the screen sizes so you can kind of see. Extra large. So you might find extra large a little bit big if you need to concentrate on a screen. Okay, you can see on screen at the minute, hopefully, it says lots of people are playing. The wait time is about 120 minutes. That's 2 hours. So I've never had this problem before. I've just rebooted the headset thinking it might have been something with my connection. So that's crazy. So we'll leave it for now, and I'll come back to the headset at some point when the wait time's a lot less, because yeah, that's way too long. So I'll keep checking and see if the time drops down. We'll come back and test out Fortnite. Okay, so while we're waiting, I'm not sure if it's a Fortnite thing, because obviously we're in a popular game. So we'll try out a different game, something I've not tried before, which is Moto GP 22, which is leaving the Xbox Cloud Gaming Service soon. So we'll just see if it is, because if this loads up pretty quickly, this will be a good little test for now, just to show the capability out. So obviously we played on FIFA 23 really quickly, that was really easy to do. Usually it does this, so you got what, 1 minute to wait, it loads and you're in. So let's see if this works. Okay, so still longer than expected queue time. That's disappeared now. It usually means it's going to load when that disappears, the loading bar. There we go. Okay, so it must be a Fortnite thing. So we're loading in now. Okay, so we're loaded. So I've never played this on here at all, even on the laptop or on the headset. So we will confirm. The dark logo and the image should be hardly visible. Yep, we're good with that. Good with that. Go in medium. Confirm, we'll find that's fine. We'll just jump straight into it. Skip tutorial. Got a quick mode. New Grand Prix. Just go straight into it. Just go only race. Start. So here we go. Let's give it a really quick test, see what it's like. So what I'll do is I'll let me start in, what am I in at the moment? Small. Let's go to XL. Continue. Graphics look good. Oh my god. Yes, it's quite hard. Okay, come on, I just killed the driver. So we'll quit out of there now. And pause there for a moment. Okay, so we've just quit Moto GP and come to try Fortnite straight away. So it looks like it's going to work. So it's just loading up now. So kind of give you a good idea what this looks like. So currently we're on large screen. I think large tends to be the best kind of overall view. You don't have to look too far around the screen. So if you go there, you have to kind of look to the corners. So large seems pretty good. So we'll leave it in large for now, and then we'll try and get straight into a match. Give it a second. So you can see here, quality wise, it looks really good. It's obviously like just having like a giant 100-inch screen in front of your face. Okay, it's giving me some crazy times for matchmaking. Hopefully that's not true. Okay. So we'll just get straight into this hopefully. It's just to give you an idea more around what it looks like, the gameplay wise, etc. Okay, so I think I'm recording with microphone now as well. Okay. So again, latency is really good, like the other games, absolutely fine. No problems. I've never had any problems with the Xbox cloud gaming stuff on, like I said previously, on the headset, both the headset and on the laptop that I've used. Right, so we're nearly into a game now. Okay, so we'll get straight into it once we can get out of the door. Okay, let's go. I'll aim straight for the rooftop down here. Okay, all done there now. Some games played there and showing you some gameplay. So obviously we did a bit of FIFA, a bit of Moto GP, and a bit of Fortnite. Not sure what's going on with the loading times because the third time on Fortnite loaded fine. Maybe just, I don't know, no idea. But hopefully give you a good overview of what it looks like in there with the different size screens, small, medium, large, extra large. As I mentioned, I'll be using the Easy SMX earbuds, which are really good. Just a standard Xbox controller, which again has been really good. Latency wise, no problems whatsoever, both with audio, with the Easy SMX and the controller. That's probably what I'm using the headset most for at the moment. Just been able to sit down on the sofa, sit back and play on the headset and play on games. So yeah, really, really good. I guess if you don't have a big screen as well, or you want to play on the move, play with the headset on the move, on travelling, or if you're away travelling, it'd be a really good way of keeping up with kind of gaming if you don't have a screen and a console available to you. So personally, I think it's probably one of the best things about the headset. So this is available on the Meta Quest 2, not just the 3 as well. So one of the best things I would say about the VR headset's been able to play without a console. Obviously you can do it on a laptop, but it's not, I know it's not fully immersive with the VR games, but it's still that gaming on a headset on a giant screen in front of you. So overall, really, really good. No problems whatsoever. The only problem is kind of loading times, just getting into the different servers to play different games. Okay, hopefully that's giving you a good look and an informative kind of view on the Xbox gaming on the Meta Quest 3. If it's been good, you've liked, it's been informative, please do give it a thumbs up, give it a like. If not for any reason, give it a thumbs down, give it a dislike. Any questions at all about the headset, about the earbuds, about the controller, about the Xbox game, and anything at all, just drop it in the comments section. We'll reply to all questions and comments. If you want to follow the Houston DIY channel along for more VR headset kind of videos, maybe some more gaming stuff on there with Xbox, home DIY projects, loads more stuff, hit that subscribe button, and we'll see you on the next one.